Well, since the start of the pandemic, there has been debate across the country about our kids' education, from keeping classrooms open, remote learning, closing schools, and potentially sacrificing children's learning. And now it appears the state of education is a growing concern for parents who vote. A new study by the National Alliance for Public Charter Schools shows 82% of parents say they would vote for a candidate outside of their political party if the candidate's education platform aligned with their own views. NewsNation's Brooke Schaefer is live. And Brooke, are parents the new swing voters?
Well, that's certainly what this study would suggest, Nichole. During the pandemic, with kids doing school from home, parents really got a front row seat to their kids' education. And one group thinks that's a big reason why education is the next thing that'll make or break an election.
Across the country, kids are back in the classroom, but the effects of being home during the pandemic still playing a major role, this time in elections.
The education voter is probably going to be the most sought after of voters in the upcoming elections.
Debbie Vini is a senior vice president with the National Alliance for Public Charter Schools, which in a national survey found 82% of parents would vote outside their political party because of a candidate's education platform.
I think that it says that parents are understanding their power in a way that they may not have understood before.
And we're already seeing it at the polls. Most recently in Virginia, now Governor Glenn Youngkin secured his win, running in large part on education.
We're going to invest in teachers, new facilities, special education.
The national poll looked at 5,000 parents of K through 12th graders. It also found 83% of parents said education had become a more important political issue before the economy and before health care. Carrie Rodriguez is a mom and the co-founder and president of the National Parents Union.
So as parents, we're not willing to sit by and let them fall through the cracks. I know I'm not as a mama. And, again, it's very frustrating to sit by and have folks kind of shrug their shoulders.
Again, that poll and the group that did it suggesting education voters are the new swing voters. Nichole?
All right, Brooke, thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.